we're rescuing your car's interior from those impossible, stubborn stains and gross odors. Between the kids, coffee spills, and just everyday life, our back seats turn into total disaster zones super fast. Throw South Louisiana humidity into the mix. Yeah, you've got the absolute perfect recipe for deep-seated mildew. So here's the big question. Can a quick DIY spot clean actually fix a nightmare mess like this? Honestly, no. But a professional deep clean from 87 washes, that creates a literal night and day transformation. See, DIY sprays lack real power. They just mask the air, totally ignoring the gross stuff in the fabric. Worse, without real extraction tools, DIY leaves seats wet. Hello, severe mildew in that swampy Louisiana climate. The pro's true secret weapon is thorough extraction. It literally pulls the mess out before it hits the foam. By using specialized heavy-duty tools like the Bissell Spot Clean Pro, they suck that contamination out instantly. The second vital step? Enzyme cleaners. These solutions actually eat organic stains at the source instead of hiding them. So gross organic issues like mystery food, sweat, and pet accidents, they respond exceptionally well to this. Just keep in mind, permanent damage like bleach, ink, or baked-in oxidized stains might never completely come out. Wondering how long this magic takes? A standard, meticulous, deep clean generally runs about 1 to 2 hours. It's surprisingly affordable, too. Standard services start around $65, depending heavily on your interior's starting condition. Afterwards, your seats are left slightly damp, but never soaking wet like a typical DIY disaster. Just roll those windows down, park outside, and let that blistering South Louisiana heat finish the job. Best of all, 87 Washes is fully mobile. They bring this deep clean straight to your Acadiana driveway. So, take a really close look next time you drive. What's secretly hiding inside your car seats right now?